Do you want to know the secrets to a flawless complexion? Well, you've come to the right place. But first, let's discuss some of the worst habits that may be sabotaging your skin. Sleeping with makeup on, for instance, can clog your pores, leading to breakouts and a dull complexion. It's like inviting unwanted guests to a party on your face. And then there's the damage from using harsh products. Overdoing it with these can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving you with irritation and dryness. It's like sending your skin into a desert without any water. Skipping sunscreen is another big no-no. The sun's UV rays are a leading cause of premature aging and skin damage. And finally, picking at your skin. It's a quick route to scarring and infection. So now that you know what not to do, let's move on to the habits that can help your skin look its best. Now that we've covered the worst habits, it's time to turn things around and discuss the habits that can help you achieve a glowing complexion. First off, let's talk about consistent cleansing. Washing your face twice a day removes dirt, oil, and impurities, preventing breakouts and maintaining a healthy glow. It's important to find a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, so you're treating your skin kindly while keeping it clean. Next, never underestimate the power of hydration. Drinking plenty of water and using moisturizers with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid can help banish dry, flaky skin. Remember, hydration is key to achieving that dewy, healthy look. Thirdly, regular exfoliation is your friend. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week helps slough off dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath. But be careful not to overdo it, as excessive exfoliation can lead to irritated skin. Lastly, a customized skincare routine can make all the difference. Tailor your skincare regimen to address your specific concerns, whether it's acne, aging, or hyperpigmentation. Consider consulting with a dermatologist or skincare specialist to create a routine that works best for you. These habits are great steps towards better skin, but let's take it one step further and discuss the best skincare habits. Finally, let's discuss the best habits, the ones that will take your skincare game to the next level. First off, practice sun protection. Going beyond just sunscreen, consider wearing protective clothing and seeking shade during peak sun hours. These practices can significantly reduce your risk of skin damage. Next, ensure you're getting enough sleep. Quality sleep for about 7 to 8 hours a night allows your skin time to repair and regenerate. It's not called beauty sleep for nothing. Don't underestimate the impact of stress on your skin. Chronic stress can lead to breakouts, inflammation, and premature aging. So incorporate stress-relieving activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Lastly, make healthy lifestyle choices. Nourish your skin from within by eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids. Regular exercise also promotes circulation, contributing to a healthy, radiant complexion. And there you have it, from the worst to the best. These are the habits you need to know for a flawless complexion. Remember, good skincare is a journey, not a destination. So keep these tips in mind and enjoy the process.